I don't know about you, but I have a pretty messy downloads folder. It's a complete disaster. Different file formats, file names that make absolutely no sense, and even files I don't even remember downloading. Sure, I could organize it one by one, but at this point it'll take a lot of time with all these files. And even worse, I'm just gonna keep downloading most stuff anyway. So that's not really a solution, and honestly, who has time for that? So one Sunday morning, I had an idea. Why not automate this with AI? And while at it, why not make it open source? After months of tinkering, breaking things, and pretending I know what I'm doing, I want to introduce DocPilot. DocPilot is an AI tool that can turn your filthy downloads folder from this into this. It automatically organizes your files, meaningfully renames them, and keeps track of files based on their extensions, so your MP3s don't end up mixed with your important PDFs. And it doesn't just work for downloads, you can use it at any folder you want. Now you might think, oh cool, you just open it and click one button and boom, perfect folder. I wish. Right now DocPilot is still in beta, so it's very much a work in progress. But if this sounds interesting to you, stay tuned. The good news is DocPilot is completely free and open source. So if you like messing around with code just like me, you can check out the GitHub repository, fork it, and experiment it yourself. To run it locally, you'll need Ollama and a local LLM, such as Pi3 or Minstrel. So here's a quick technical breakdown. It contains a Python backend built with Flask. It runs endpoints to read and process files, and runs a local LLM via Ollama to understand the file semantics and rename files based on their content. And also organizes files based on extensions like MP3 or PDF and others, and just contains a simple Electron.js frontend. That's pretty much it. And if you want more details, everything is documented on GitHub and on the website as well. If you want to try it out or contribute, be sure to check the first link in the comment section. It genuinely means a lot to me. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day. Bye.